Hi, my name is Apana, and today I'm going to be explaining a recent client visit I did for drone mapping a coffee estate on the Western Ghats to track how coffee plantations are being grown. We can use it to peg a particular estate along a spectrum of good practices towards the environment, for instance, helping the buyer to make more informed decisions and support greater earth and planet for all of humanity and other life forms. I landed in Coog from the city of Bangalore early in the morning. It's been raining here, and it's the end of the season, but still the rains come and go. It's not as heavy as the peak monsoon, but it's there. And the drone I'm using for this kind of research work is a DJI multispectral. And multispectral allows you to get crop health information or vegetation health information. But this drone is not waterproof. It is a very capable drone, but it's not waterproof. As soon as I reached the client's place, we spoke about the land, how he might use this data, what does he want from this data collection exercise, and then we proceeded to make a marking of the land. This is just so that we fly the drone within this particular map boundary. We can make the further fine tweaks of the actual boundary of the plot later once we have the drone imagery. This is mainly because of two things. One is you can't very easily identify the points along the boundary using just a Google satellite map. So what we have to do is get the drone imagery, which is much more high resolution, and through the data processing exercise, we would have also created a digital terrain model and digital surface model. And with these two other views, apart from the regular RGB map view, we can also get details about, let's say, small paths and roads inside the estate. And this can be a good cue to make the boundary.